But so for each feeder, this is what you're going to need. Okay, so you have your downspout. Okay, then you have your elbow, your 90-degree. Then you have 2 couplings that are 3.5 inches. Then you have a cap. Okay, then you have a 45. And you have one 2-foot long piece of 4-inch. And then I use this to prevent any moisture from getting in the connection areas. I'm going to use this. It should be absolutely fine once it is dry and cured. And then I got this metal, I don't even know what this is called. This is not, I don't know if this is flashing. I don't know what it is. Anyway, so I got this. And this will be used to band around and screw into the wall in the chicken coop where it's going to go. And I will be doing that around the batch that I make. I should be making 3 if I got enough of everything. I wanted to show you guys something really quick before I actually go to doing these. Okay, so the reason it goes 45, or why it goes 2 foot to 45 to 90 and the downspout, I'm going to show you why. Okay, so let's assume the 2-foot parts coming out of this 90, if we did the 90 first. Okay, then you're going to have the 45 right next to it, and then attached to the, hang on, let me get it so it doesn't roll away. Okay. All right. Then you're going to have the downspout. It would be faced like this, obviously with no gaps. Okay. So look at that. You can already see what's going to happen. All the food is going to settle right here and will not be able to get up to here where the chicken's head's going to go in to eat. Okay, so that's why we're doing it a 45 to the 90 to the downspout. Okay. So then it'll literally slide down here and then fill up to where the chicken can fit its head in and get food. So that's why we do it 45 to the 90. Okay, so here it is turned around. So your 2-foot piece, there's a coupler, or sorry, there's not a coupler here. Straight piece, straight 2-foot piece goes into the 45. I'm sorry. Yeah, the 45. A coupler into the 90, coupler into the downspout. Okay, and if you can see how the downspout is, it's not turned that way because then they could easily just peck out, but there is a little lip from here to where they can stick their heads in here that they will not be able to scratch it out. The goal here is to make 3 of these and see how much they hold. If they hold a 50-pound bag, that would be amazing. Then I don't have to worry about a storage container for the feed. So, and the reason we did the angle the way we did with the 45 to the 90 first is if we would have gone the other way, the feed would not have come down enough for the chickens to get any food. So